I lost $17,000 in commissions because of 3 simple open house mistakes. And the scary part? You're probably making at least 2 of them right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to AVS DigiZone. If you're in real estate and struggling to convert open house visitors into actual clients, you're in the right place. Today I'm revealing the 3 open house mistakes that nearly made me quit real estate, and exactly how to fix them. Stay till the end because I'm giving away my complete 7-day open house success kit and a free real estate website absolutely free. Remember these? Yeah, me too. My first big mistake was relying on paper sign-in sheets. 68% of visitors give fake information. I'd have 30 people through an open house and only 3 legitimate leads. The solution? Digital lead capture that provides immediate value. When I switched to systems that automatically text property details to visitors, my legitimate lead capture went from 10% to 73% overnight. This is exactly why I recommend the Open House Alert system. It automatically captures qualified leads while you focus on building relationships. Mistake number 2, the post and pray method. I used to put up a few signs, make one Facebook post, and pray people would show up. Sound familiar? This is the second of our 3 open house mistakes that keeps your open houses empty. The fix? Multi-channel promotion across 8+ platforms with consistent messaging. When I implemented a proper pre-open house sequence, my attendance tripled in 30 days. This is where tools like Open House Alert become game changers. They automatically distribute your listings across all platforms while you focus on your clients. Mistake number 3, the one and done follow-up. Biggest regret? Thinking one thanks for coming email was enough. This is the most costly of the 3 open house mistakes. It turns warm leads into cold strangers. The winning strategy? A 5-touch follow-up system that provides ongoing value. When I started sending neighborhood updates and personalized property matches, my conversion rate jumped from 8% to 34%. And guess what? Open House Alert automates this entire process with personalized sequences that actually get responses. After fixing these 3 open house mistakes, I went from struggling to pay bills to closing 5 deals for my next 3 open houses. The system works, but implementing it manually took me 15+ hours per week. That's why I became obsessed with finding tools that automate this process, so you can get better results without the 3 a.m. stress sessions I used to have. Now I know what you're thinking, man. This sounds great, but I don't have time to build these systems. And you're right. That's why I want to give you 2 free gifts today. First, I'm giving away my complete 7-day open house success kit that walks you through implementing everything we discussed. Second, I've secured free real estate websites for the first 50 people who respond today. All you need to do is click the link in the description below, enter your name and email, and you'll get instant access to both free gifts. No cost, no obligation, just real value to help you avoid these 3 open house mistakes. If this video helping you understand the 3 open house mistakes holding you back, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe for more marketing tips, and comment below which of these 3 open house mistakes has been costing you the most clients. Remember, the link to get your free 7-day open house success kit and free website is waiting in the description. Click it now before you forget. Until next time, keep dominating the digital space. This is AVS DigiZone signing off.